India is a land of farmers, but here's the reality. More than 86% of them are small and marginal. Every day they step into their fields carrying hope, yet most decisions, which crop to grow, which fertilizer to use, how to tackle pests, are still based on guesswork or advice from local shopkeepers. But what are the results? Low yields, rising input cost, crop loss, and damage to the environment. This isn't just a farmer's problem, it's a national challenge, one that affects food security, sustainability, and rural livelihoods. Our solution is the AI powered Smart Crop Advisory Platform, a one stop assistant for farmers that delivers real time, location specific advice in their own language with voice support. Think of it as a personalized digital companion that understands the farmer's soil, their crop history, the weather around them, and even the threats from pests and diseases, and then guides them step by step to make the best decisions. Here's how it works: smart crop recommendation based on soil reports and weather conditions, pest and disease detection just by uploading a picture of the crop, real time weather alerts to prepare for rainfall, drought, or disasters, market price tracking, and transparent bidding so farmers get fair value without middleman, multilingual chatbot with voice assistance, making sure even farmers with low digital literacy can use it easily. Personalized dashboard where farmers can manage multiple fields with the interface adapting to each field's crop, soil, and conditions. A government schemes hub that clearly explains all the available farmer schemes in simple terms, ensuring they don't miss out any benefit. And for farmers who don't have smartphones, we provide a multilingual call assistant offering almost the same services over a simple phone call. The results are powerful. With this platform, farmers can increase yields by up to 25%, cut down chemical usage, and earn better prices directly from buyers. This is not just about improving incomes, it's about building sustainable farming practices, securing the nation's food supply, and empowering rural communities with technology they can truly trust and use. Our vision is simple: empower farmers with knowledge, technology, and fair opportunities. Because when a farmer makes the right choice at the right time, it's not just his crop that grows, it's the strength of the entire nation. This is the future of agriculture. This is the future we are building.